the 2007 Chrysler Town Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, a power liftgate, rear wipers, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, knee airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.